Talbros Automotive Components Limited. Company has more than 6 decades of experience in manufacturing automotive gaskets, which contributes about 47% of the total revenue. They also manufacture heat shields, chassis, anti-vibration, hoses, forging, and more. These products are used in different automotive segments. About 34% of the revenue is generated from the passenger vehicle segment, 19% from 2 and 3 wheelers, 24% from heavy and light commercial vehicles, 10% from agri and off-loaders, and 13% from others. The company was incorporated in 1956 and got public in 2005. They are based in Faridabad with more than 600 employees. Company has 4 manufacturing plants in Faridabad, Bawal, Sitarganj, and Pune, and 4 additional plants by joint ventures in Haryana and Maharashtra. The market cap of the company is 2,149 crore rupees and currently trading at 348 rupees per share. The company has a 21% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 47% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company had 3 joint ventures in Italy and Japan. However, one of the joint venture was recently divested by the company. In December 2020, company signed an exclusive contract with Japan-based Samba for heat shields used in passenger vehicles. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign investors are buying from the public. Company serves more than 30 OEM clients, with revenue concentration of 75% from domestic and 25% from exports, and aims to reach 35% in exports by fiscal year 27. Some clients of the company are Maruti Suzuki, Bajaj Auto, Hero, Hyundai, Tata Motors, Eicher, John Deere, BMW, Kawasaki, and more. 14% of the revenue is generated from Maruti Suzuki, 9% from Tata Motors, 6% from Bajaj Auto. Company has secured many multi-year contracts from OEM, highlighting strong order inflows. Company aims to double its group level revenue to rupees 2,100 crores by fiscal year 27. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.